अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum Salam.
कैसे हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah, all good.
Okay, so what's your name and what's your designation and what batch were you a part of?
I'm presently working at JDOT as an DGM Embellishments, and my name is Abdul Majid, and I was from 2000 batch.
Oh, that's fantastic. That was a long time ago. So how do you think ZABIST has helped you besides providing you with a degree?
ZABFM has given me a lot of confidence in a lot of sectors, and basically my field is right now textile and production side, which is not related to my education, but the management, the confidence, that's all I got was very much from ZABFM. The surroundings, the environment, that's to handle things around, that was majorly what helped me in my career.
Right. So how was your experience with ZABIST while you were here?
Obviously, ZABFM was one of our homes, second homes at that time, and presently also, but its links with ZABFM has always been there, and it's all part of life.
Any advice for the upcoming students?
That education is very important in any case. What career you choose, what field you go, you do your own business or something, but education should be there. It makes you a mature person.
Right. Thank you so much.